Alright traders, so I just took a lower high confirmation setup. What it is lower high confirmed? Well, look at the massive downtrend working lower. How strong is this downtrend? This is the first question that I ask myself. This is extremely strong downtrend because the bars are tiny, pullbacks are tiny, and this is a healthy, consistent downtrend working lower. You can see prices can't even break above the EMA since the downtrend started. So this is extremely strong form of a downtrend. Uptrend played out with the break, moved to a new extreme, indicating bullish correction played out. And now that the correction phase is over, according to trendline rule, I expect new low to be tested. So uptrend played out, indicating depletion. Push below EMA is right now confirming the fact that the sellers are in the market and they're about to test the new low. And lower high is confirming the fact that we're about to get the new extreme. Okay, I almost entered below this bar, but because it ended doji, it first triggered higher, reversed down, and the second bar convinced me EMA keeps holding, great lower high, smaller risk, we need to get new low. We got our scalp, and now I'm gonna hold and trail the runner. This is just a bonus, and this is how you play the very strong downtrend, because after break you expect new extreme following the trendline rule. The reason why I like a setup like this is my first trade for the day. It's because price action aligned in a way where I was expecting the setup to form before it formed. That's always a good thing in your analysis, because the worst trades happen when you suddenly rush things and you take impulsive setups without expecting the setup to form way before it forms. But because we established the downtrend, we have a broad break new high indicating bulls played out. Strong push below EMA, we need to get new extreme. There is no reason for bulls to continue working higher. So everything in price action aligned. We have a break in new extreme, downtrend played out.